Have you ever had that sudden panic right before leaving for the airport when you check your bag and realize, wait, where's my passport? Have you ever printed your boarding pass twice just because you weren't sure where you put the first one? Or maybe you know that small fear when you approach the check-in counter and think, what if I forgot something important? Welcome back to the Vibe English podcast, where we turn real-life situations into simple, practical, and emotional English stories that help you learn naturally, one moment at a time. Today, we're moving into Group 2 of our Airport English series, preparing your travel documents, passports, tickets, IDs, confirmations, visas, these tiny papers, or digital files. Decide whether you fly or stay right where you are. But don't worry, we're going to make this stressful part of traveling feel simple, familiar, and even a little fun. In this video, you'll hear 10 longer conversations about preparing your documents before a trip, from checking your passport expiration date to searching for your booking code to organizing everything neatly before heading out. These dialogues reflect exactly what real travelers experience before every journey. By listening, shadowing, and repeating, you will learn how to talk about travel documents naturally and confidently in English. So, take a deep breath, open your imaginary folder of travel documents, and get ready, because your journey begins long before you step into the airport. Now, let's dive into Conversation 1. Checking your passport.
Hi there. Are you ready to check your travel documents?
Hi! Yes, I think I'm ready, but I want to double-check everything.
Good idea. First question. Do you have your passport?
Yes, it's right here in my hand.
Great. When does it expire?
Let me see. Oh, it expires in 2 months. Is that okay?
For most countries, your passport needs to be valid for at least 6 months.
Oh no. Are you serious?
Yes. You might need to renew it before you travel.
That's stressful. I didn't know that rule.
Don't worry. You still have time. But you should start the process today.
You're right. I'll go to the passport office tomorrow morning.
Good plan. What about your ID?
I have it in my wallet.
Perfect. And do you have photocopies of your documents?
Not yet. Should I make copies?
Yes, it's always safer to have them.
Okay, I'll make copies later today.
Great. I'm glad we checked early.
Me too. Thank you for helping me.
Anytime. Good luck with your passport renewal.
Thanks. Talk to you later.
Bye for now.
Conversation 2. Booking confirmation trouble. Hey, did you find your flight booking confirmation?
Hello. Well, I don't think so. I can't find the email anywhere.
Did you check your spam folder?
Yes, it's not there either.
Try searching your email using the airline's name.
Okay, let me try.
Anything?
Wait, I found something.
Great. Is it the right confirmation?
Yes, but it looks like I booked the wrong date.
Oh no. What date did you book?
I booked the return flight correctly, but the departure date is 1 day later.
That's not too bad. You can still change it.
Do airlines charge for changes?
Usually yes, but it depends on the ticket type.
Let me check. Okay, I can change it for a small fee.
That's good news.
Yes, I'm so relieved.
Make sure to download the updated confirmation.
I will. I'll save it to my phone and print a copy.
Perfect. Anything else missing?
No, I think that was the biggest problem.
Glad we fixed it.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime. See you soon.
Bye.
Conversation 3. Visa requirements.
Hi. Are you ready to go over your visa requirements?
Hello. Yes. I need your help. I'm not sure if I need a visa for my trip.
Okay. Which country are you traveling to?
I'm going to Japan next month.
Great choice. Let me check. Okay. For your passport nationality, you need a tourist visa.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's okay. Have you applied yet?
No, not at all. I didn't even know where to start.
Don't worry. You need your passport, a passport photo, bank statements, and your travel itinerary.
That sounds like a lot.
It's not too bad. Most of it, you already have.
True. How long does the visa process take?
Usually around 5 to 7 working days.
That's not too bad. I still have time.
Yes. But you should apply this week.
I will. Do I need to book my hotel first?
Yes. They usually require proof of accommodation.
Okay, I'll book it tonight.
Good idea. Once your visa is approved, you'll feel so much more relaxed.
Definitely. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need help with the application.
I will. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Conversation 4. Lost passport panic.
Hey, you look worried. What happened?
Hi. I think I lost my passport.
What? Are you sure?
I can't find it anywhere. I've checked my bag, my drawers, everything.
Okay, calm down. When was the last time you saw it?
Yesterday, I was making copies of it.
Did you leave it at the copy shop?
Oh, maybe. I hope not.
Okay, call them right now.
Yes, I'll do that. Hold on.
What did they say?
They found it.
Oh, thank God.
They said I left it on the counter. I feel so embarrassed.
It happens. At least you know where it is.
Yes, I'll pick it up immediately.
Good idea. And maybe get a passport holder.
Yes, I really need one.
Don't forget to double-check everything before your trip.
I definitely will. Thank you for staying calm for me.
Anytime. Now go get your passport.
Going now.
Good luck.
Thanks. Bye. Conversation 5. Digital versus printed tickets. Hi. Did you decide whether you're using digital or printed tickets?
Hey, I'm not sure yet. Which one is better?
Both are fine. Digital is convenient, but printed is safer.
I like digital, but my phone battery dies quickly.
Then, you should bring a power bank.
True, but what if the app doesn't load?
That happens sometimes. That's why I always print one copy.
Maybe I should do the same.
Yes, it's always good to have a backup.
Do airlines still accept printed tickets?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, I'll print one tonight.
Good plan. And save the digital one too, just in case.
2 is better than 1.
Exactly. Did you also save your hotel confirmation?
Not yet, but I will.
Put everything in one folder on your phone.
That's smart.
And make a separate physical folder too.
Wow, you're very organized.
Travel taught me.
I should learn from you.
You're doing great. Just stay prepared.
Thanks. I will.
See you later.
Bye.
Conversation 6. Checking passport photos.
Hey, did you take your passport photos yet?
Hi. Yes, I took them yesterday.
Great. Do they meet the requirements?
I think so, but I'm not 100% sure.
Let me see.
Here you go.
The background should be plain white. This one looks a bit gray.
Really? I didn't notice.
And you need a neutral expression. You're smiling too much here.
Oh no. I liked that one.
It looks nice, but passport photos need strict rules.
So, I need to retake them?
Yes, just to be safe.
Okay, I'll go again today.
Good. It only takes a few minutes.
True? Anything else wrong?
The size looks fine, just the background and expression.
Thank you for checking for me.
Of course. You're almost ready.
I hope so.
You're doing great.
Thanks. I'll send you the new photos later.
Sure. See you soon.
Bye. Conversation 7. Organizing your travel folder. Hey, how's your travel preparation going?
Hi. Pretty good, but my documents are a mess.
Let me guess, everything is mixed together?
Yes. Everything is everywhere.
Okay, let's organize it. First, passport.
Got it.
Second, flight tickets.
Here.
Third, hotel confirmation.
I found it.
Fourth, insurance papers.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Don't worry, print it later.
Okay.
Now put everything into one folder.
Good idea.
And save digital copies on your phone too.
I'll do that.
This way, you'll never panic at the airport.
Yes, I need that.
Once everything is organized, you'll feel relaxed.
I already feel better.
Good. You're almost ready to fly.
Thanks for helping me.
Anytime.
See you.
Bye. Conversation 8. ID. Expiration. Surprise.
Hi. Are you done checking your ID?
Hey. Yes. And I have a big problem.
What happened?
My ID card expires next week.
Oh no. That's too close.
I know. I didn't even notice.
Can you renew it quickly?
Yes, but the office is very busy.
Try going early in the morning.
Good idea.
Did you check if your passport is still valid?
Yes, the passport is fine.
Good. You just need a valid ID for domestic flights.
Yes, and I'm flying locally.
Then renew it as soon as possible.
I'll go tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Nice. Bring all the required documents.
Will do.
Don't stress too much.
I'm trying.
Everything will be fine.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Tell me once it's done.
Sure. Bye.
Bye.
Conversation 9. Insurance paper confusion. Hey, did you print your travel insurance papers?
Hi, I'm confused. Which one do I need?
Usually just the main policy page.
But there are 10 pages here.
Yes, but you only need the summary.
Oh, I see.
And save the rest on your phone.
That's easier.
Did you check if your insurance covers your destination?
I think it does.
Let me see.
Sure.
Yes, it covers your whole trip.
Perfect.
Also, bring the emergency contact number.
Good idea.
And keep everything in your travel folder.
I will.
You're almost fully prepared.
Thanks to you.
Anytime.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Conversation 10. Final document checklist.
Hello. Ready for the final checklist?
Hi. Yes, let's do it.
Passport.
Here,
Boarding pass.
on my phone, and one printed,
Good. Hotel confirmation.
saved and printed,
Visa.
approved and ready.
Insurance.
Got it.
ID.
Renewed and valid.
Perfect. You're super prepared.
Thanks to your help.
How do you feel?
Much more confident.
That's great.
I'm excited for the trip now.
You should be.
Thank you again.
Anytime.
Talk soon.
Bye.
Bye. And that brings us to the end of today's journey through one of the most important parts of traveling, preparing your travel documents. From passports to visas, from booking confirmations to insurance papers, these conversations showed you what real travelers experience before they even step inside the airport. I hope today's dialogues helped you not only learn English, but also feel more confident and more prepared for your next adventure. Remember, documents may be small, but they decide everything. So next time you travel, check early, stay organized, and keep both digital and printed copies to make your journey smooth and stress-free. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another traveler or another English learner. And stay tuned, because in the next video, we're moving to Group 3 at the check-in counter with even more practical airport English that you can use anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next episode.